So I'm gonna merge some of these layers. I'm gonna merge the hair and the eyes. So I'm gonna choose merge down. Okay, so now they're on one layer. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave the red hair. I'm gonna move that up if I can. I like the purple a little bit better. I don't need the skin layer anymore. So I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. And I'm gonna merge down with the skin. So you've got original, edit, original, edit. We merged down. It looks like we lost a little bit of the purple in the hair, but that's okay. So that's pretty, huh? We've got our edited model. She's gorgeous either way. So now you know how to change the skin, the hair, and the eyes using Pixlr tools. The last thing, of course, you want to do is to make sure you save it. So again, we just do file save. We've already saved it as one time, so I'm going to save it again as the JPEG. It says it already exists because we saved it already. Yes, I'm going to replace it. And just so I have another one, I'm going to do the Pixlr layer image, or the layered Pixlr image rather, so that I can come in here and edit it later in Pixlr. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching.